Welcome to tutorial how to recover Facebook page. If you delete your Facebook account on Deactivate, all pages on that Facebook account disappear and deactivated. What you need to do to log in again in your Facebook account, go to three lines in upper left corner, go to settings and privacy, go to settings, after that scroll down to pages. Go to view your deactivated pages. Here you can see the deactivated pages. Click reactivate on one that you want to activate. Now you're switching to that page and page is again active. And that's it. Thank you. Bye.